Film festivals offer filmmakers a platform to showcase their work, celebrate cinematic excellence, and bring audiences together to experience new and exciting stories. As we guide you through these festivals, you'll discover how each one plays a crucial role in shaping the world of cinema. So sit back, relax, and get ready to dive into the world of international film festivals. Let's start our journey with the legendary Cannes Film Festival in France. The Cannes Film Festival is one of the most prestigious film festivals in the world. Held annually in May, it showcases films from around the globe and is known for its red carpet glamour, exclusive screenings, and high-profile attendees. The festival awards the Palme d'Or, its top honor, to the best film in competition. Berlin International Film Festival in Berlin. The Berlinale is held annually in February and is one of the most important international film festivals. It emphasizes social and political films and often features works by emerging filmmakers. The festival's top award is the Golden Bear. Sundance Film Festival in Park City, Utah, USA. Sundance is the premier festival for independent films. Held annually in January, it provides a platform for new voices in cinema and has launched the careers of many filmmakers. It showcases a variety of genres, including documentaries and experimental films. Venice Film Festival in Venice, Italy. The Venice Film Festival is the oldest film festival in the world, established in 1932. Held annually in late August or early September, it is known for its high-quality screenings and glamorous setting. The festival's top prize is the Golden Lion. Toronto International Film Festival in Toronto, Canada. TIFF is one of the largest film festivals in the world, held annually in September. It serves as a launchpad for awards season and showcases films from around the world. The festival is known for its audience-friendly atmosphere and includes the People's Choice Award. New York Film Festival in New York City, USA. NYFF is one of the most prestigious film festivals in the United States. Held annually in the fall, it focuses on curated selections of international and independent films. The festival often includes premieres and special events. London Film Festival in London, UK. The London Film Festival is the UK's largest film festival and showcases a wide range of international films. Held annually in October, it includes feature films, documentaries, and short films across various genres. Locarno Film Festival in Locarno, Switzerland. Known for its open-air screenings in the Piazza Grande, the Locarno Film Festival is held annually in August. It focuses on promoting independent cinema and emerging filmmakers. The festival's top award is the Golden Leopard. Telluride Film Festival in Telluride, Colorado, USA. Held annually in September, the Telluride Film Festival is known for its intimate atmosphere and focus on quality cinema. It features carefully curated films from around the world and often premieres films that go on to win major awards. Busan International Film Festival in Busan, South Korea. BIFF is one of Asia's largest film festivals. Held annually in October, it showcases Asian cinema while also featuring international films. It emphasizes supporting new and emerging filmmakers. Rotterdam International Film Festival in Rotterdam, Netherlands. IFFR is known for its avant-garde and experimental film programming. Held annually in late January, it focuses on innovative cinema and supports independent filmmakers. Karlovy Vary International Film Festival in Karlovy Vary, Czech Republic, KVIFF, is one of Central Europe's oldest film festivals, held annually in July. It features films from around the world and emphasizes discovering new talent. Tokyo International Film Festival in Tokyo, Japan. TIFF is Japan's premier film festival, held annually in October. It features films from around the world with a focus on Asian cinema. The festival includes various categories and awards. Hong Kong International Film Festival in Hong Kong, China, HKIFF, is one of Asia's oldest and most reputable film festivals, held annually in March. It showcases a wide range of Asian and international films and supports emerging filmmakers. San Sebastián International Film Festival in San Sebastián, Spain, held annually in September. This festival is one of the most prestigious in Spain and emphasizes European and international cinema. It is known for its competitive sections and awards. Melbourne International Film Festival in Melbourne, Australia. MIFF is one of Australia's oldest film festivals, held annually in August. It features Australian and international films across various genres. Cairo International Film Festival in Cairo, Egypt. CIFF is the oldest film festival in the Arab world, held annually in November. It focuses on Arab and international cinema and includes various competitive sections. Moscow International Film Festival in Moscow, Russia. MIFF is held annually in June and is one of Russia's most significant film festivals. It features a mix of international films and Russian cinema. Dubai International Film Festival in Dubai, UAE. DIFF was an influential film festival in the Middle East, held annually in December. It focused on Arab and international cinema, but the festival was suspended in 2018. Mumbai Film Festival in Mumbai, India, MAMI, is India's premier film festival, held annually in October. It features Indian and international films across genres and highlights emerging talent. Tokyo Anime Award Festival in Tokyo, Japan. This festival focuses on anime films and is held annually in March. It showcases the best of Japanese animation and includes international submissions. Shanghai International Film Festival in Shanghai, China. SIFF is one of China's most prominent film festivals, held annually in June. It features a mix of Chinese and international films and aims to promote Chinese cinema globally. Fantasia International Film Festival in Montreal, Canada. Fantasia is a genre-focused film festival held annually in July. It emphasizes horror, fantasy, and science fiction films and supports innovative storytelling. Tallinn Black Nights Film Festival in Tallinn, Estonia, also known as POFF. This festival is held annually in November and showcases films from around the world with a focus on European cinema. Sydney Film Festival in Sydney, Australia. Sydney Film Festival is held annually in June and features Australian and international films across various genres. It includes competitive sections and special events. This concludes our tour of major film festivals worldwide. There are many more incredible festivals out there, each with its own special flavor. If you'd like more information on any specific festival or have any questions, feel free to let me know. Thanks for watching.